Hey viewers, how is life going on? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Wise Choice Hub, a channel for better learning. If you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Today's thought for the day is, some people dream of success while other people get up every morning and make it happen. Today we are going to study a new chapter on noun gender. In my previous video, I have explained about noun and kinds of nouns. Let me quickly recapitulate and define a noun. Naming words are called nouns, or a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. There are 5 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Now let's see what is a noun gender. The gender of a noun indicates whether a person or animal we are referring to is male or female. Here, man is a male, woman is a female, lion is a male, lioness is a female. Therefore, gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. There are 4 types of noun gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, and common gender. Let's study about each gender in details. The first one is the masculine gender. They are the nouns used for boys, men, and male animals. Here you can see the picture of a horse, king, monk, bullock, ram, tailor, wizard, and drone. So here all these pictures denote only a male person or animal. Therefore, we call them as masculine gender. The second one is the feminine gender. They are the words used for women, girls, and female animals. Here in the picture, you can see a queen, nun, witch, Eve, nanny goat, bee, sow, sea mistress. These are all the nouns that denote only a female person or female animal. Therefore, we call them as feminine gender. The third one is the neuter gender. They are the words used for things or nouns that are not alive. You can see in this image here, there is a pen, a book, pencil, house, watch, etc. They are all lifeless things. So such noun that denotes lifeless things are called as neuter gender. The fourth one is the common gender. They are the nouns that are used for both males and females. Here in the picture you can see a baby. There are 2 babies, but we do not know exactly whether the baby is a boy or a girl. So particularly we use the word or term baby to denote as a common gender for both a male baby or a female baby. Same goes with engineer, dancer, doctor, maybe a female doctor or a male doctor, parents, and so on. So such type of particular words are considered to be common gender because they denote for both male and females. Gender nouns for people. Here are some examples of masculine and feminine nouns used for people. There are 2 categories here, male and female. Actor, actress, boy, girl, bridegroom, bride, brother, sister, widower, widow, dad, mom, husband, wife, king, queen, landlord, landlady, man, woman, nephew, niece. Here are some examples of masculine and feminine nouns for animals. Let's look what does these animals in masculine and feminine are called as. Bear, masculine gender is boar, feminine gender is sow. Cat, Tom, queen. Cattle, masculine is bull and feminine is cow. Chicken, rooster, hen. Duck, drake, duck. Goose, gander, goose. Lion, masculine gender is lion and feminine gender is lioness. Sheep, ram, ewe. Rabbit, buck, doe. Dog, dog and feminine gender for a dog is bitch. Common gender nouns are used for both males and females. Here are few examples of common gender that may be either a male or a female. Babies, dancers, reporters, engineers, lawyers, partner, doctor, astronaut, chef, dentist, teachers, students, etc. So they may be either in a male category or a female category. As explained to you, neuter gender nouns are used for lifeless things or for objects and places. So here are few examples for neuter gender nouns. Hospital, pencil, book, chair, flower, floor, crayons, shoes, school and so on. So these are all lifeless things, non-living things. Let's quickly do the exercise on gender. The first sentence is, love and take care of your mother because there is no one like her in this world. Here, mother is a feminine gender. Second sentence, they are going for a tour to Russia. Here, they is a common gender. Third one, Farhan's father is coming from Singapore today. Here, father is a masculine gender. Fourth sentence, Khushi's computer is out of order. Here, computer is a neuter gender. Test your learning skill. Now, I'm going to read the sentence for you and you're going to choose the appropriate word from the given option. The first sentence here goes, she is a famous dash, poet, poetess or poetress. Second one, all monks and dash of this church are invited to the program. Monkeys, monks or nuns. Third sentence, the guard is waiting for his master and dash. Mistress, masteress, masterine. The fourth sentence is, the parents are welcoming their son and dash to their house. Daughter-in-law, son's wife or wife-in-law. Fifth sentence, books are our best friends. Here, books is a dash gender. Sixth one, a bitch gave birth to 4 puppies. Here, bitch is a dash gender. Thank you for watching this video. Now is the time to press the like button, share the link with your near and dear ones, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel by pressing the bell icon for the latest notifications.